Yeah, we're on record now.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm sorry for the troubles. Because YouTube is a journey that I really wanted to do, but I don't have, like, I'm a solo guy kind of thing, and I have this ADHD. It makes it very difficult with having ADHD and, like, trying to work on multiple things at the same time by yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
You're from Bangalore only?
I'm from Bangalore only. Yeah. So where do you work now?
Uni Cards.
What kind of company is that?
It's a fintech company. Like they do lending, credit. They have credit. Their own co-branded credit cards.
Okay.
Yeah. It's a startup only.
Okay.
It started 4 years back. I guess 22.
And are you into, like, development or something?
No, I'm into product management.
Oh, you're a product manager. Nice.
Right now, I'm a product analyst. Yeah. But
Okay.
in 1.5 years, like after some experience, they would promote me to a
Product manager. Okay. This was a campus placement, yeah?
Yeah.
Nice. You like the organization? This is your first job, right?
Yeah. This is my first.
I cannot.
Like it's a startup, so some days the workload is heavy. Like in startups, your role is not very defined.
Right.
Like sometimes the person from marketing team is not present. So
Yeah.
I would have to do some of his work also. Like we have to send communications to customers.
Yeah.
So we need to do those things.
Okay.
But yeah, like we get to learn a lot, like in startups.
That's the best part, right?
Yeah.
Like,
Like, everything. Like
you're not defined to one thing and one
Yeah.
thing alone like a robot.
Like in MNCs, if you are an analyst, you are just dealing with data.
Yeah.
You go at 9, you leave at 5.
Okay.
It's fixed. But here, like
Yeah.
I go late also. Like today, so it's no late, but yeah, I go by 11. And
Flexible.
yeah, it's flexible. It's expected that you complete your task on time, no matter you come to office or not.
Yeah.
But in product and like growth roles, you need to be in office because I need to talk to many people. So
Okay.
from home, it's
Yeah.
not possible.
Okay.
You have to schedule a meeting every time. Or in office, I just go to their desk and I talk to them and come. Like it's a 5-minute task.
Yeah. For people who do not know product, like what a job role exactly is like, when you mentioned that, I'm curious, for example.
For product roles.
Yeah, when you said that, okay, I have to talk to a lot of people, so I have to be at the workplace, right? On site.
Like product roles, growth roles, program management, you would have heard.
Yeah.
These roles are like you need to talk to many people. Like
Right.
like if we want to send some communications, like if we want to attract more customers or if we have added a new feature.
Yeah.
So the feature is developed by the product team.
Okay.
So we design the feature like that. We want this. It would look like this, and then we go to the developers. So
Yeah.
we need to talk to the tech team for that.
Correct.
You have to collaborate with them. Then you need to make customers aware of it.
Yeah.
So you need to talk to.
When you say these customers or the stakeholders,
Yeah.
so you're talking about internal stakeholders, or are there external stakeholders also?
Internal, mostly internal.
Mostly internal, because it's your own in-house
Yeah.
product, right?
Yeah. For external stakeholders, we have the partnerships team. Like we provide a co-branded credit card. So the credit card is provided by a bank.
Okay. Yeah.
So we do it in partnership with banks. There are terms and conditions.
Okay.
For that, there's a separate partnerships team.
Okay.
So those people come with terms and conditions that these are the terms and conditions of the bank.
Right.
Now we have to adhere to those terms and conditions and then build our product.
Okay.
Like no fee, and like it's a fintech company, so you know about RBI. Like
Yeah,
RBI doesn't
yeah.
like fintechs.
They don't like fintech.
Yeah. They don't prefer NBFCs, non-banking financial corporations.
Okay.
They prefer banks. But
Okay.
like banks don't provide loans very easily.
Yeah.
Yeah. They don't provide to everyone also.
Correct.
So like fintechs, like in fintechs, these NBFCs, those who are mostly in lending basically.
Yeah.
Loans and all.
Yeah.
Like they have to play with the risk.
Right.
Like-
Right.
You can't earn from a customer.
So the risk is being held by the banks.
No,
Not the fintech.
we have a risk team also. We run our policies. We don't provide loans to everyone.
Okay.
We run our policies.
Okay.
So for credit cards, we have banks. For loans, we have different lenders
Okay.
who are authorized by RBI. Basically, those are NBFCs. You won't have heard their names. They're Liqui Loans, Lendbox, Nadanark. These are not very famous.
Yeah.
You would have heard Credit G, I guess. You would have heard of a company, Navi.
Navi. Yeah.
Navi also does the same thing. Our company is basically a small Navi, you could
Small,
say.
like competitor.
Yeah.
Okay.
Competitor Navi is a bit old, so and it was built by like Sachin Bansal. So Sachin Bansal had a lot of money with him because he built Flipkart.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's why he invested a lot. So Navi grew very fast.
Grew very fast. Yeah.
Like our company is not so rich. So we are like in the development phase only.
Okay.
And about like product roles I told.
Yeah.
So like we get the features.
Yeah.
So we need to find. Achha, I'll tell you in a sequence. Like if we plan to build a new product.
Yeah.
So first of all, we decide on few of the features. Now we have to adhere by the regulations.
Correct.
So the features and all the products are built adhering to those regulations.
Okay.
Other than that, we have terms and conditions from our lender as well. So we need to design the product as well. Like how would it look on the app?
Can you give me an example of when you say like the conditions by the lender? Like let's say lender A, lender B.
See, basically one lender would say like I would provide loans only to salaried people.
Okay.
So we won't show that product only on the app to users who are self-employed.
Self-employed.
Yeah.
Okay.
This was a basic example.
Okay.
Like you would have heard about CIBIL score.
Right.
So when the policy runs,
Yeah.
some lenders say that you run your own policy,
Yeah.
and they just tell us the conditions. But some lenders tell us that
Yeah.
they will run their own policy as well.
Yeah.
So we need to make product for that. Like on the app, if the customer comes,
Yeah.
then there would be an extra step for that lender's approval as well.
Okay.
So that product is built by the tech team. But everything about that product, like what is the requirement, what would be the features,
Yeah.
if I click here, I should be redirected to this page.
Correct.
This is all done by the product team.
Right.
It's just that the code is written and on the ground, the development work is done by the software developers.
Software developers.
But everything is done by, decided and planned, everything is done by the product team. Then we need to explain them. That's why it's very necessary to collaborate with them.
Right. You
Because
don't
if we
only
give-
have to work with the back end, you also have to work on the UI, UX part of it.
Basically, UI. For UI, you have to talk to the design team as well.
Design team, right? Yeah.
They give us the creatives. Like you would have seen those marketing communications.
And then you will have to go back and forth about the creatives also with the clients, including
not
all the
client,
stakeholders.
But we have a legal team, so
Acha.
we have a legal team also.
Right.
So basically, all those regulations and all they look upon that.
Yes.
They just see that we are not using any words like when you would have seen about those when companies promise 10% returns. So you can't promise the customer.
Yeah.
So that's why they mention about up to or something like that.
हिंदी क्या करते हैं तो पागल है क्या हिंदी को Yeah, sorry mate, you're saying something.
Yeah. It's like you have to work with the tech team.
Yeah.
Now to the higher management, you have to give a deadline by when this product would be.
Yeah,
released.
so you're responsible for those SLA, like meeting the deadlines also.
For deadlines, we have to talk to the tech team, na.
And you're answerable to a lot of people. Like it's totally matrix.
You have to collaborate a lot. Like many things are not in your control, so you have to manage all those things. That if I tell the business team or someone that basically the founders and all in startups only, they are only the leadership. So we would be telling them that it would be ready in 8 days.
Yeah.
But when we talk to the tech team, they say like it looks easy on the front end, but in the back end they have to build a lot.
Yeah.
So it would be taking 15 days. So we need to talk to them first before we commit a deadline. Same. For about partnerships also, it's same. For different lenders, we need to build different features because I told you they have their own terms and conditions.
Right.
Yeah, so that's how it works. And there are many more things. Like you have to see the business numbers also. Like in lending, like we have to play with the risk. Because if a customer pays everything on time, you're not earning money from it.
Correct.
But if a customer is a lot in debt, interest is rising, then also it's not a good thing because he won't pay back. You have to find the sweet spot.
I'm in that stage right now.
Acha.
I'm gonna pay back. I mean, just that I piled up a little bit of debts and stuff like that. But that's one of the reasons why I started here.
Yeah, like fintechs earn from those customers only. Like they pay late, but they pay.
Yeah.
So you need to find a sweet spot. You can't give loans, and like for every customer, the interest rate is not same. It's on the basis of their credit score and all other things like what's your credit history.
Right, right.
So that data we get from the bureau.
CIBIL. You're talking about the CIBIL score.
There are 4 bureaus. I remember we mostly use CRIF and CIBIL. But there are 4 bureaus. In our company, they use CRIF and CIBIL, these two.
Okay. A lot of good knowledge for me today. Really. I mean, I'm glad.
Like mostly when I was preparing for my placements,
Yeah.
lending was not the thing I wanted to get into.
Okay.
I wanted something more customer based. Like lending to me is, I wanted to go in a company like Zomato, Blinkit, something like
Something with value or something.
where I build features for customers.
Yeah.
Like here, most of the customers are needy customers.
Yeah.
And basically, I feel that I'm not doing the right job. He needs money. I'm asking him for 40% interest rate.
I know what you're saying. I mean,
so-
एक guilt feeling आ जाता है ना, like, you know, मैं सही जगह नहीं हूँ.
मतलब ठीक है, मैं अपना जॉब कर रहा हूँ, ये ठीक है, बट मतलब जब मैं शुरू कर रहा था तो मेरा मन था कि वैसी कोई कंपनी में जाऊँ. मतलब ये कैब्स वाली कंपनी भी हो गई, ये भी मेरे को सही लगती है.
हाँ.
रैपिडो हो गई, उबर तो खैर यूएस में है, मतलब ज़्यादा. इंडिया में तो उसका ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं. इंडिया में डेवलपर्स हायर करते हैं.
I'll take this call 1 second. Hello. चल भी मैं आ रहा हूँ 20 मिनट में आ रहा हूँ. हाँ नो प्रॉब्लम. नहीं मैं आ जा रहा हूँ 20 मिनट में आ रहा हूँ. ओके थैंक यू. हाँ ठीक है, मगर ज़्यादा लेट मत करना यार. ठीक है. नहीं मैं बाहर हूँ. ठीक है, मैं फ़ोन करता हूँ, गाड़ी चला रहा हूँ. Sorry, it was her maid. Like she's supposed to come now. I'm supposed to be home, like to get the cleaning done.
Maid comes on time. My maid never comes on time. Some days she comes at 7.
She's not coming on time. That's why she called.
I asked her to come at 7, 8.
Yeah.
2 days she comes at 8, then other days she comes at 10. When I tell her, she told me that आप तो लेट से ही ऑफिस जाते हो ना.
हाँ. उल्टा तो आप कैसे भी
मैं लेट से आता हूँ, इसलिए चाहता हूँ आप जल्दी चले जाओ ताकि मैं कुछ काम करूँ किचन में, मेरे को कुछ बनाना होगा.
Exactly. Like you literally have to wait.
Yeah. In Bangalore, water is also.
I mean, getting this help is one thing. Even though this thing, what's more important is, like, you know, someone who doesn't steal and has some, like, you know,
that's why we are not hiring her. Na? She's good. She comes late, but yeah.
Yeah, that is the same thing. I
for
feel.
6 months, so I think it's good.
चाबी दे के जा सकते हो. मतलब
हाँ,
ऐसे
भाई.
लोग बंदे मिल जाएंगे ना, तो नियत वाले थोड़ा अच्छा है.
वो भी मतलब हम लोगों से काफी एज में बड़ी है, तो वो भी बच्चे की तरह हमसे बात करती
बात करते हैं. हाँ.
तो Where do you stay?
I stay here in Ejipura.
अच्छा गोरपांगला.
Yeah. This after Son, like if you go straight on this road,
My company
And then
gave
take-
me a stay over there
and then
when I
take.
joined.
Okay.
Halcyon.
Halcyon, okay.
yeah.
Halcyon is pretty close by. Halcyon is on this side. Yeah, it's on this side.
I was searching homes there only, but I did not get it.
Ah.
Like it's quite far from Kormangla. Like right now.
How much are you paying over there now for the rent?
We are 3 people and it's a 3 BHK, 55K we are paying.
55K.
Ah.
Oh, that's a lot. I think you should get something here.
Ah.
I mean, cheaper than
Actually, we are looking for gated societies
that. That's
or basically apartments, so that like no issue of those electricity.
But here in Kormangla, I think when they're gated, something like us, not as big as that gated community, the one that you are staying in,
Yeah.
ND or something.
Yeah.
So, but you know, like. I think
there the rent is low as comparison to Kormangla.
नहीं यार, आपको इधर मिल जाना चाहिए 40-50 में, like कहीं ना कहीं gated.
नहीं मैं सोसाइटी का नहीं, गेटेड तो है ही नहीं यार. यहाँ एक रहेजा है.
एक्चुअली रहेजा है, NGV है. हाँ, वो सही है आपने बोला. NGV मतलब नेशनल गेम्स विलेज,
वो तो बहुत महंगा
वो भी महंगा है, दोनों महंगा है. और मतलब उतना बड़ा नहीं, मतलब मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ कि मतलब छोटा सा अपार्टमेंट
है. मेरे को
कॉम्प्लेक्स
वैसा भी चलेगा, बट भाई मैं एजीपुर
जो सिक्योरिटी रहे वैसा.
बट मेरे को मिले नहीं ज्यादा.
हाँ.
मतलब मैं जिस टाइम आया था ना, जून जुलाई, उस टाइम बहुत लोग घर ढूंढ रहे थे.
वही मतलब आप इधर रह के ढूंढना एक अलग बात होता है. एंड देन यू नो लाइक
उस टाइम मेरे को 2 वीक में ढूंढना था किसी भी तरह के, कि 2 वीक का
हाँ.
स्टे था मेरे पास.
like abhi idhar, like you know, if you are settled here for like 1.5 year, then you know the places a little bit.
Yeah, like
then
that.
going out and searching and taking your time, sweet time to like get a place is different.
Like someone told me go to teachers colony. When I went
Yeah.
there, I feel like vomiting there.
Do you think your organization? I don't even want to ask that question. So because it's lending and stuff, na. End of the day, you feel guilt about it. It's not like that. You know, end of the day, you need to get some experience because जो करना है वो तो करना ही पड़ेगा. Like there's no escape from it. Job तो करना ही पड़ेगा. So if not this, anything else? Should I stop here or like can I go inside? Oh, there's a lane that goes. Okay.
Right.
So you guys have a cook or
Yeah, cook. Like only for one time.
only one time?
Yeah.
So 2 बार का शायद बना देती हो. यहाँ बोल दीजिए कहाँ.
Here.
Here, right here.
Yeah.
So it's Indic cube. I don't know if I'll edit good. I mean, color coding मुझे वो सब नहीं आता है अभी तो फिलहाल के लिए. So is it paid on the app?
Yeah, it's paid on.
Yeah. So एडिटिंग मुझे आता नहीं है तो मतलब मैं ना वो जो कलरफुल बना के थोड़ा सा complexion skin. So शायद I'll put a raw footage only. So I mean, I want to do another video like you know where like I have I can edit. Once I know how to edit, I'll do it. But thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye.